Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the basics fast. Make sure mobile data is on and not limited by a battery saver or app-specific restriction. Check the SIM is seated correctly. If you can, pop it into a second phone to see if data works there. Once done, toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds and restart your phone. These swift steps clear transient radio issues and often restore Gprs connectivity without deeper changes. Next, focus on the configuration that actually controls packet data. You should open the access point, name screen, and ensure APN, username, and password match your carrier's exact values. If unsure, delete wrong APNs and create a fresh one. Make sure network mode is set to the carrier-recommended option. For older Gprs, you may need 2G/3G or auto. Once done, try manual network selection to force a new registration and install any carrier updates that appear. To finish, verify connectivity with a simple browser load or a light speed test to confirm you have an IP and low latency. If things look wrong, reset network settings to revert any misconfigurations and then reboot. Make sure your account and data plan are active. An unpaid bill or provisioning issue often blocks Gprs. If nothing works, contact the carrier for provisioning help. Key troubleshooting tip: test your
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.